everyone! Today I'm making the ultimate moist chocolate cupcakes with Swiss meringue buttercream for that smooth, elegant look. They're just perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's get baking. First things first, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and align a muffin tin with cupcake liners. Add all the dry ingredients to a bowl and whisk everything together really well. I like to sift my dry ingredients to make sure that there are no lumps. Next, you're going to add all the wet ingredients with the exception of the espresso to the dry ingredients and whisk until smooth. Be very careful not to overmix. Lastly, we're going to slowly pour in the hot espresso while whisking, and once again, do not overmix. The batter will appear very thin, that's perfectly normal. The espresso is only going to enhance the chocolate flavor of the cake, it won't actually taste like coffee. Fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full. Bake for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let them cool for a few minutes in the pan, then transfer to a rack and cool completely. Once they're fully cooled, it's time for the fun part. I'm topping these with Swiss meringue buttercream for a silky, not too sweet finish. Here are the ingredients for the Swiss meringue buttercream. First, separate the eggs and place the whites in a heat-proof mixing bowl along with the sugar. Whisk continuously over a double boiler until all the sugar dissolves, then beat on medium-high speed with an electric mixer until it forms stiff peaks. Make sure the meringue has completely cooled before adjusting the mixer to medium speed, then add the cubed butter a little at a time. Make sure each cube of butter is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once the plain meringue buttercream is ready, you can add the bloomed cocoa and vanilla paste to jazz things up even more. Make sure to adjust your mixer to a low speed at first, then briefly to medium to smooth it out. Then you can finish on low to remove any air. Now all that's left is to pipe our Swiss meringue buttercream onto our cooled cupcakes and add a little sprinkle of magic. I started piping outwards from the center to create the swirly pattern. These cupcakes are the perfect Valentine's treat for your chocolate lover. I guarantee they'll be begging for more.